Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Quick Phone Service Center. Today I'll showing how to clean LCD glue. This is new method for the only Quick Mobile. Fixing technician name Saifuddin Khan. Saif, remove the glue. Now. See, this is new method for remove any mobile LCD glue. Very early remove the glue in full mobile. Let's see, this is AH model. Now remove LCD. After before LCD glue, now remove. Very fastly remove this machine. Okay, very good for fix. See this machine. Left, right have and every good this machine. Only 12 BD Bahraini dinar. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.